Investing doesn't have to mean risking all your savings or waiting until you're wealthy. In fact, you can start building wealth today with small, smart investments, even if you're on a tight budget. Stick around, because in this video, I'm sharing 20 practical ways to invest money without breaking the bank, and the last tip could completely change how you think about investing. Why small investments matter. When we think of investing, many of us imagine big stock portfolios, real estate deals, or complex financial plans. But the truth is, you don't need a fortune to start. Some of the best investments require just a few dollars and a little bit of time. When I first started investing, I didn't have much to spare. I thought it wasn't worth it unless I had thousands to invest. But I quickly learned that small, consistent investments can lead to significant growth over time. In this video, I'll show you 20 smart ways to make your money work for you, no matter your budget. Section 1. Low-cost traditional investments. Let's start with some traditional investment options that you can access without needing a large sum of money. Fractional shares. Invest in companies like Apple or Tesla with as little as $5 through apps that let you buy partial shares. Robo-advisors. Use automated investment platforms to start investing with as little as $1. They manage your portfolio for you based on your goals. Index funds. Index funds are low-cost, diversified investments. Many platforms allow you to start with small contributions, making them beginner-friendly. High-yield savings accounts. While technically not an investment, these accounts help your money grow safely while you save for bigger investments. Certificates of deposit, CDs. Lock your money away for a set period and earn higher interest rates than a standard savings account. Section 2. Investing in yourself. One of the best investments you can make is in your own skills and knowledge. Take online courses. Platforms like Coursera or Udemy offer affordable courses to boost your career or learn new skills. Build a side hustle. Invest in starting a small business or monetizing a hobby. Even $50 can go a long way in setting up a website or buying initial supplies. Networking events. Attend local or virtual events to build connections that can open doors to better job opportunities or partnerships. Health and wellness. Spending on fitness or mental health programs isn't just an expense, it's an investment in your future productivity and happiness. Books and learning materials. Reading books on personal finance, investing, or self-improvement is a low-cost way to gain valuable knowledge. Section 3. Alternative investment opportunities. Thinking outside the box can help you find creative ways to grow your money. Peer-to-peer lending. Platforms like Lending Club let you lend small amounts to individuals or businesses and earn interest. Micro-investing apps. Use apps like Acorns or Stash to invest your spare change automatically. Digital real estate. Invest in domain names or websites. You can start small and flip them for a profit later. Crypto for beginners. While risky, starting with a small amount in well-known cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin or Ethereum can be a low-cost way to learn about this market. Buy and resell goods. Use online marketplaces to buy discounted items and resell them for a profit. Section 4. Building wealth through smart savings. Even small steps can create room for future investments. Employer-matched retirement accounts. Contribute just enough to your 401k or similar accounts to get the full match from your employer. It's essentially free money. Emergency fund first. Before diving into riskier investments, build a small emergency fund to protect yourself from unexpected expenses. Reduce high-interest debt. Paying off credit cards or loans with high interest is a guaranteed return on your money. Section 5. Long-term strategies for small investors. These approaches focus on steady growth. Dollar cost averaging. Invest a fixed amount regularly, regardless of market conditions. This strategy reduces risk and builds discipline. Reinvest dividends. If you own stocks or funds that pay dividends, reinvest them instead of cashing out to grow your investments faster. My journey with small investments. When I started my investment journey, I felt intimidated by the idea of navigating the stock market or saving enough to buy real estate. I began with just $25 a month, investing in fractional shares through a mobile app. Over time, those small contributions added up, and seeing progress motivated me to explore other options. Investing isn't about starting big, it's about starting somewhere. Every dollar you put to work today has the potential to grow into something greater tomorrow. Conclusion: small steps lead to big rewards. Investing doesn't have to be complicated or expensive. These 20 strategies prove that you can start small and still make meaningful progress toward your financial goals. Whether you're building an emergency fund, learning new skills, or putting spare change into the market, every step counts. Start today, even if it's just with $5. The key to building wealth is consistency and patience. Which of these strategies resonates most with you? Let me know in the comments. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with someone who's ready to start their investment journey.